Hello there and welcome to release question number 15 for Cahsee Math. It says this: the weekly sales of a magazine increased from 500,000 to 600,000. By what percentage did the magazine sales increase? So this is a percent increase problem. We just did one. If you want to go back to the previous video, number 14 was just like this. So the percent increase or decrease is always the amount increased or decreased over the original amount. So in this case it's going to be the amount increased over the original amount. If you want to go back and review the more in-depth explanation of that, go to video number 14 or release question number 14. But what's the amount increased? It's going from 600,000, that's what it is this week, from 500,000 last week. And so you've got that over the original amount, last week's amount, in other words, would have been 500,000. This is the same as 100,000 divided by 500,000. Then I want to show you a slick little trick here. If you have zeros on the top and the bottom, you can cross them off one at a time. However many there are here, cross off with how many there are here. There were 5 here, so I could have crossed out all 5 with all 5 here. What am I left with? I'm just left with this, 1 over 5, 1/5. And then this is something you should get memorized as a decimal and as a percent. Decimal and percent, you just move the decimal 2 spots. But 1/5, you need to get that memorized as 20%. So 1 out of 5 is the same as 20 out of 100, in other words. So if you didn't have that memorized, you could do long division, do 1 divided by 5. But I think that's one you should get memorized and just know for the Cahsee. Make sure you know that one for the Cahsee. Choice B for number 15.